Hey YouTube, here's Such with another sensible survival tip. We're going to talk a little bit about silver and making that part of your survival plan and an investment. Now, silver, of course, is used for coinage, has been since 700 BC that's been documented, probably way before that. It's also used in jewelry, which my parents are in the jewelry business, and they said that silver jewelry is at an all-time high because gold is so high. So the demand for silver is up there. Also, it's all kind of different valuables, whether it's silverware, flatware, candlesticks, creamers, all the different things that you can find that are valuable using silver. It's used in industry. In fact, it's used more and more in industry. It's a superconductor of electricity, the best, period. And then also, it's a great thermal conductor. In fact, it's the top in metal. Also, it's less abundant than gold, and the words silver and money are the same word in 14 different languages. So silver, the value of silver is known throughout the world. We went from the gold standard to silver, and then from silver to fiat currency, which is just trusting, the government to stand behind their money, and how volatile things are. I think personally I like to stick with silver. The U.S. has dumped billions of ounces of silver onto the world market, and that's flooded it. That's kept the price at what it is right now. It's around $14. It hovers, it jumps around. And I'm not an expert, and I'm not trying to tell you how to invest your money, but I would highly recommend that you invest some in silver as part of your survival plan, but it also can be a great investment. Now, we're going to look at a few things, and then I'm going to talk while I show you some of my silver. Here is the American Eagle, which is a really popular silver coin. People really like to collect these. They're minted by the U.S. Mint, actually. Then here are a bunch of peace dollars. And as you can see, also Morgans. Morgans are actually more collectible. A few 1-ounce bars. Now this is just junk silver. I bought these. It's just quarters and dimes, all pre-64, that are just various types of coinage, and you can usually get this at just a little over spot. Canadian silver dollars, and then as you can see, just different. These are half dollars, Walking Liberties. Those are actually Kennedy's. Anything pre-64, if it's 65 and 66, they're 40% silver. Again, some more Walking Liberties. And then as you can see, here is just a collection. So there's the numismatic value, which is a collectible value. That's way above face value. But then also, you can just take the silver content out of all these Walking Liberties. And then here's just some junk silver. In fact, I've got quite a bit of junk silver and candelabras and candlesticks and silverware and things like that. So, okay, a couple of things. You can buy a lot of these kind of coins at different places, even at flea markets. Gun shows is a great place that we buy a lot of silver. The dealers are just selling it and trying to raise money usually, and so you can typically get a good buy. You can go into coin shops and places like that to buy it. But I'm going to tell you the best place to buy and sell is Craigslist. In fact, typically I'll go on Craigslist a lot and look on there, and people just have collections that they want to sell just under spot to make it attractive. Great place to buy it. It's also a great place to sell it. A lot of people say, well, you can't eat silver, and when it's hard, and you got to have something to eat. Guys, unless things turn into the Stone Age, there are going to be markets that open up all over, as happened in Russia during the days of inflation, or Argentina, or wherever. These markets will open up, and you will be able to trade in silver. Man's not going to completely just go berserk, as some people think. And if they do, well, it doesn't matter what you have. Sooner or later, you're going to be in a world of hurt. I do buy stuff on eBay sometimes. One thing about silver that I like over gold is, even though I do have some gold, is that you can buy silver fairly inexpensively. I mean, these Walking Liberties, these Eagles, excuse me, you can buy these for about $20 a piece typically, and And then, you know, some of these other dollars you can buy even for less. You know, your quarters, you can spend less than $20, $10, sometimes $5, and pick up a piece here and there, and before long you'll have a nice collection, because that's pretty much, I've done that over the years, but also I have made efforts to go ahead and just buy lots, as you can see. So also you can get on APMEX, APMEX. I'll have the link over in the sidebar.com. That's a great place to buy minted silver and junk silver. You can buy bags of these coins. Your local coin shop typically, or coin dealers, people that sell and buy in silver, you can typically get things from those guys. In fact, I saw recently a video where a grocery store was accepting silver in trade for groceries. And I've heard more and more where bartering and using silver is becoming more and more popular. Great way to barter, great sensible survival. You know, take just some of your funds, put them back towards silver, to the silver investment. So, one last thing that I didn't mention is the medical benefit of silver. And we use colloidal silver. You know, you can look up YouTube videos on that, but that is a medical purpose, a great antibiotic that is non-toxic. So, just a few things into sensible survival. I hope this helps you, and if I can answer any questions, I'll try to. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but I just see things happening as they are. I lost 60% of my stocks in the stock market, and I said, So I started converting over some of these stocks into silver, and I'm going to tell you something. You know, it just makes you a lot more comfortable to know that it's right there in your hand. So anyway, take care. Hope this helps. Again, please subscribe for more sensible survival and fun gun reviews. God bless America. Long live the Republic.